ले लो, कहाँ है गाइड? गाइड कहाँ पे?
These are our sheep. Now they look a little bit dirty, and that is in fact dust on their back. All our sheep have a beautiful oil or grease in their wool called lanolin, and that lanolin does attract the dust, and it sits on the top. When it gets to the woolen mill, it will wash out very, very quickly. We have a tub of lanolin back on the shearing board. It is a beautiful moisturiser. It's used for baby products, cosmetics, lots and lots of different things. So the sheep are the only ones that produce that. It comes up through their skin. The dogs are out here in what we call a balanced position. They're watching and waiting for an order from me. Now, Hunter's a bit far away, so I've got the opportunity to bring him forward if I want to. Look up, Hunter. Dusty. They have been taught to move, stay there, in different directions, back. And of course they know their other hand. It's a pretty basic training exercise that we might do. Give you a bit closer look at these merino sheep, and you'll have the opportunity to get right up close to them straight after the show. Now, what we're going to do is just put them through and just show you what the dogs can do in here. Very, very keen, these dogs, when they're fresh. Okay, the sheep are going to have a wander along. So these are our merino sheep. These particular ones are about 3-year-old, so they're very close to being fully grown. The wool in Australia has never been a better price. It's at a premium at the moment, best price we've ever got. So Hunter's a long way away up there. Now he's a bit older than Dusty, so I'll just bring him up slowly. Walk up, Hunter. Walk up. Walk up. Have a rest, you poor old fella. Lay down. It's a long way. Walk up again. Walk up. So you can see the way the dog has a natural eye for the sheep. They make eye contact with the sheep, and then they're listening for an instruction. Keep out. Hunter, Hunter, keep out. Hunter, back, back. As you can see, the sheep are not frightened of the dogs, but there's a very healthy respect there. So they know the dog's not going to hurt them, but they certainly move away from the dog when the dog comes near. Okay, just going to tie the little black and white one up. He'll be available for photos straight after the show. Dusty to me. Dusty to me. One more little thing I'll show you before we go. It's just a thing called natural balance. Now the dog is trying to keep those sheep as close to me as he can. We cannot teach them to do that. It's just what they're born with. So when they could be on rounding chickens up, anything at all, and they will always keep the sheep close to their owner. As you can see, now if I change direction, he immediately changes direction as well. And he'll keep bringing those sheep to wherever I am. So I could be on a horse, a motorbike, anything at all, and I'll know that these sheep are always behind me. Across the bridge. Now it's important on our farms, if we have a river or a creek, we find that sheep hate walking through water. Some are going to come, the others don't want to. But the dog soon brings those in. And I forgot to mention, you can give him a clap if he's getting it right. So give him a little clap. He's got the first one done for Monday morning. I wish I had his energy. Okay, the next one's a simple little raceway, not complex. I think he probably deserves one more clap, doesn't he? Good word, Dusty. Okay, now Dusty is...
You want to check that? I find 40 minutes.
这个就是梅林诺羊，它这个羊毛很厚，你看，这里面，它是外面一层油。
Naar die wolken, dat is wel totaal iets anders dan bij Donen. This one's a bit squished.
That'll do. Stay there. Stay there. Dusty, hop up. Short sheep are a bit hard to balance on. Woollier ones. A little bit more traction. Yeah. Dusty, back on your log.
往下吃掉。
Can I go through here? Forget the
So he's a big male. Not that big. No, just having a sleep in the sun. Oh yeah. Normally they lie on their back. Not them while they're in the world.
Oh, they kangaroos.
Where are they going?
पटना पीछे
वो हटना यहाँ पर साइड में डाल सहज पीछे जाना है पीछे जाओ पीछे उसके पीछे जाओ कैंगरू के पीछे जाओ क्रोकोडाइल का तो शो देखते हैं ना क्रोकोडाइल शो भी है शो नहीं है
कितने बजे है क्या हाँ क्रोकोडाइल का भी है
वो देखो सांप
also die in der Wildnis gibt es gar nicht gut und die ist ja nicht verreckt
Oh, nee.
ich habe ein Ding wie ein Ding bestreichen na leicht lustig die können da beide raus die ist auch cool ja.
Okay, very slowly, we're walking this way. We had our good.
Just looking at me, Sam. Sam, just looking at me. Just looking up at me.
Just let her move wherever she wants to go.
सहज वहाँ खड़े हो जाओ पास में सहज वहाँ पर आ जाओ पास में
Is that right? You get enough photos?
Yep. वाला ये वाले के साथ भी तो लेंगे हाँ दोबारा आएंगे
हाँ चलेगा ना वो देखो टॉप पे बैठा हुआ है
हाँ तो दोबारा जब आएंगे तो
ये वॉम्बेट्स लेके आते हैं ना
There he is. There he is. There he is. There he is. Nick.
ये वाला होगा बड़ा है ना
नहीं
वो देखो
Araca bak. Dai, pide देखो. एक मिनट